My first, and probably the most important thing to know about mediumship is you're going to see dead people. And when I say dead people, I mean that in the physical sense, I mean that in the mental sense. You are going to see dead people. Now, if you are somebody who is very squirmish and you don't like that, well, unfortunately, newsflash, when you are working with energy and you are, for example, if I'm bringing forward evidence of Alice, and Alice passed away at the young age of 30-year-olds in a motor car accident, then Alice will show me her dead, yes, only if it brings evidence. However, if the loved one in front of me is saying, oh, well, okay, you've got Alice, how did she die? How else would Alice show me? Seriously, she could say a car accident, but it's a lot quicker and easier for the spirit world to show you the car accident. You're going to see people at the scene. You're going to see who was in the car with Alice. They may have tragically passed as well. This is where, as a medium, you will go, Alice has shown me. Alice was the driver of the vehicle, and in the passenger seat she had Sarah. Sarah was at the age of 22. It looked like they were on a girls' night out. She's now shown me that it was her birthday. You get what I'm saying? This is how the evidence will come forward. But to a lot of people, this isn't even something you've even thought about. I bet there's a lot of you going, get back, get back, get back. I don't want to see dead people. The problem is when you become a medium, Spirit 11, when you become a medium, you don't just speak to the dead, you see the dead. And whilst a lot of the time when we're speaking about seeing the dead, we are using the ability of clairvoyance, that's not always the case. A lot of you believe that you will see the spirit world in the materialistic plane, and you'll see them going about their daily jobs, the daily routines that they used to do when they were on this planet. Yeah, cool concept. Not the way that it works, unfortunately. What you will see is glimpses into the spirit realm from what they want to see you to see on an evidential standpoint. If it is paramount for you as a person to see the spirit world in a specific way, they will come forward and show you. They will show you what you need to see. That being said, remember, when it comes to seeing dead people, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I've seen them from the age of 6. I've seen them using clairvoyance, which is where you visually see. And for those of you who don't know what clairvoyance is, we've got a video on the channel. We're doing a full psychic medium tutorial. We're going to be giving you each and every one of the steps that you need. It's going to be over 200 videos on YouTube. It's all free. Go and watch it. It's in the playlist on this channel if you haven't seen it. We're also going to be covering all of the different senses. It's the How to Become a Psychic Medium series that we're running. But a lot of you will believe that the only method of seeing the spirit world is going to be visual representations of the soul, of the spirit. The problem is that isn't just the way you are going to see them. And when you are working in the mediumistic capacity, you hardly ever see them using clairvoyance. It's very, very rare that you will see the spirit world through clairvoyance during the reading because it holds little value in some cases. For example, do you think it's more informative to you as a person? Because remember, you are the one receiving the information. The spirit world have already got that information packaged. It's already in. Think of it like cyberspace. Think of it like the internet. So that's a great one. Think of it like the internet. The internet's all around us now. You can't see it. We know it's there because we can use it on our mobile phones. Well, for a lot of you, this is how it's going to work with the spirit world. That information's already there. The spirit world are already feeding it to you. But just like you will know by using a mobile phone if the data's on, if you've got signal, if you've got internet, this is the human form. The human part of you is going to pick up on those signals that are just flying around in cyberspace, energy, and you are going to be able to decode that information. However, do you think it holds more value to the spirit world in those moments to tell you evidential information to pass over to the loved one, or to show you one or two things? Well, we all know what's going to happen in that scenario. The spirit world are going to bloody talk that living you. They're going to talk to you. They're going to tell you everything that you need to know. Any good medium can prove this. The spirit world are chatterboxes. However, they will also use the ability of claircognizance. This is where you will see the spirit world in the way that they are showing you. Claircognizance is a deep known. It's a deep connected with oneness. This is where the spirit world, the source, not the source that you put on your food either. Spirit world, laugh when I say that. I love that one. It's like my little one-liner. I should get it on me merchant now. Not the source that you put on food. If you did enjoy this video, why don't you consider smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel, and putting the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any future content. Also, as you can see here, look at the playlists on the platform. We have a playlist that is dedicated to psychic medium development. We also have another one that is dedicated for you short lovers out there who just love that short form content. And we also have the paranormal playlist. If you did enjoy this video, check out the videos pinned at the top left and right, and I'll see you in the next one.